Hey, hey everyone, my name is Crystal Morgan, also known as Morgan Sims or Morgan Da Vinci Sims, and when I use Da Vinci it's because I'm using the creative side of my mind. You know, that's the, I don't know if it's the heavy side or the light side, it's just the fun side. It's the side where I have no limits. Today I'm going to use Google Hangouts to introduce another type of technology that I use for blended instruction, flipped instruction, whatever you want to call it, but for basically for one-on-one instructions with students inside the classroom as well as outside the classroom. I'm not a stranger to using videos. I'm just a brand new novice level on the Google Hangouts app part of this. But I got called out by Sarah, the teacher. Yeah, you know you called me out, and I've never been one to back down from a challenge. So here it is. This is what it's going to do, and we're going to make it do what it do. So today, what I want to talk to you guys about is the app called Groupme. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with it, but I know our students are familiar with it, and I try to keep myself apprised of all social media that our students use. So Groupme is basically an app that you can use on, it's an app you can use on your computer, you can use it on your Android phone, you can use it on your for those of you who like iPhones, you can use it on your iPhone. I'm not very sure if you can use it on Windows yet, because yeah, I'm not a Windows fan. Hey, we all have our perks, right? So I'm going to show you how I've signed in with my oh wow, going to my Groupme. And I have two accounts. I have a personal account and a professional account. I always do, always have. Sarah, the teacher, already knows that. And I'm going to sign in. Hey, you guys don't pay attention to my password if it shows up, just in case it shows up. But I'm going to go ahead, and you can, the wonderful thing about this is you can sign in with your email address or you can sign in with a phone number. So I'm signing in with the email address that I created for Groupme, or just created for my professional preferences. And yay, it did not show you guys my password, and I'm logged in. Oh, it said I forgot my password. That's a bummer. But so let's try it this way. This is my professional Google number, my Google Voice number. I only check it every now and then and see. So if you happen to write it down, don't be mad if I don't respond. It's just what that is. Did I log in? Yay, I got logged in. So there we go. Morgan Da Vinci. That would be Morgan's Math, and there I am, Chris Morgan. It just so happened to be this is the site that I want you guys to use, that I want to use to show you my examples. So right here, these are all of my different groups that Morgan, the Morgan side of me or the Da Vinci side of me belongs to. And as you can see, I can add a group whenever I'd like to. So let's say if I wanted to add a group, let's call it coworkers or collaborators, or just name a new group, professional connections. Or no, PLN. Let's do PLN and start that group. You'll now see, there we go, there's my new group. I would need to add people to it. And I could also do this group for a group if I had class 1, class 2, class 3, you know, I'm a math teacher. So let's just say that since I'm moving to a new school, I wanted to create, I know that I'm going to have Algebra 1 teachers, but I already have an Algebra 1 group. I already have my division group, so I'm not going to do that. I'll just replace those individuals with that. Now, the wonderful thing, why am I excited about Groupme? Well, because Groupme allows me to do things that everyone else, that Voxer, you know, Voxer is voice and text, and I know you can do pictures and everything, but I just like Groupme over Voxer. I use my Voxer account as a walkie-talkie when my teachers need some instant responses. That's what I use it for. With my Groupme, it's something that, okay, hey, here we go. let's have some fun, let's text. Or in this instance, let's say that some kids, I tutored some kids after school and there was a quick explanation that was video. Then I can use this QR code right here. And I'm going to show you how that easily that is done, just simply by going. Will it let me do that? I don't know if it will let me do it. But here I am. I have some QR codes that are already been created. And I'm going to also show you the QR code that I have. So I'm copying and pasting. I should be able to see this view. Let's say open with Google Drive. Some of you might be scanning this right now. Let's see. I wanted to copy. It's not letting me copy. It's not letting me copy. Open with. Edit with. It's not letting me copy. This is really not going as well as I thought it was. Hey, shout out, Sarah. You make it work when you make it pop when you do what you do. I don't understand why it's not popping for me. So I'm going to choose a file. Yay! I probably should have thought about that in the first place. But I'm going to open this QR code. And if I want to put a mini on it, that would be just explaining what the QR is. So at the top or the bottom, I don't want to distract from it, so I'm just going to add it as I do with the post. In the post and explain what this mini is, what this QR code is. Did I mess up? Of course you did. Of course I did. Shout outs, I'm telling you, you own it. So the second one, I'm going to go ahead and say that, as you heard, it just popped up. QR code for one-on-one. For 1-to-1 with the TI Inspire and BYOD. Now, of course, with that BYOD, the students would have to have a QR reader, and if they're using the scan here on my computer, the QR reader when they go. Now, because I'm here, I can copy the image, save image, or I should be able to just open image in a new tab. I should be able to just go there. But just in case you guys get a chance, what that tab would do is it would actually take them to, oh no, cycle moment, that QR code will actually take them to this video. Oh wow, it's still not finished being processed yet. Anyways, wow. So I'm having all kind of technical difficulties. It happens. The QR codes do work. I have them on different videos with different embedded in my Inspire. And I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys what the video would look like if the QR code had popped up and showed you what it was supposed to do. The video will take you to, the QR code will take you to this video. And this video, I'm Morgan Da Vinci, at least that's what I like to refer to myself when I'm in my creative mode. So, I believe that we all have a little bit of Da Vinci in ourselves where we want to experiment and see, what's out there. So once you scan that QR code, again, you would see that video, and that video would go through and explain to you how the students are expected to use the, where's my one-on-one? Where's that? I have it. Do I have it open already? I do. So let's just say this is the handheld device that the students, they scan the QR code. The QR code is going to show them a video. The video will then give them an example and give them instructions. Then the students come back and they explore themselves. Boom, boom, boom. And then there's a journal piece to go completely paperless that will talk about, tell the students what I'd like for them to journal. Now, they can journal this into their Google Docs using Google Classrooms, or they could do this using their Google Journals, not their Google Journals, using their handheld journals, paper journals, because I still believe there is a need for paper with our students today. Create a group, you can have several and multiple conversations going on. I know that this is my group right here that I work with, one specific team that I work with, and we are constantly collaborating about different things, sending each other different examples, having different conversations about what we need to do, how we need to do it. We exchange photos, we talk about examples of what we see and what good first instruction looks like with that. With this, what this is going to happen with the students is that if you create individual groups with your students and you guys begin to have those independent conversations, you actually will create an opportunity for students to collaborate, whether they're using their cell phones, whether they're using, okay, here's some vocabulary words that some word walls, digital word walls on Groupme just to remind kids of, talk to people about different things. Some videos that I made with it for that they should be able to play on Groupme. Let's hope that it plays using other technology.
Let's review functions and interpreting graphs. Remember that the function notation is read as g of x and h of x. This means the range of the function depends on the domain value. Let's try the first one together. The graph shows the lines.
Enough of that. So, with that being, I think that there are several avenues that Groupme can present to. Okay, let's stop sharing the screen share, let's stop. I think there are several avenues that Groupme can be used for by a teacher that is willing to explore all types of technology, that's willing to take a chance with their students, and especially for high school teachers, sending that out as a group text before at night and saying, hey, here's something I want you to watch or something I want you to work and be ready to discuss it tomorrow when you walk into the classroom. Me, I'm a lover of math. Let's say that you want to send a picture out and say, hey, tomorrow we're going to have a discussion of how we're going to write a poem about the photo that I sent you. Or you can actually send a picture of that poem and say, tomorrow be prepared to discuss this. We're going digital. We're communicating with kids who actually have technology. They use all types of media, but this also creates a conversation piece where maybe they would just want to text you back, what is it that you want me to do with this? And everyone, the wonderful thing about it is it keeps the text in timeline. It keeps it on a timeline. So as students are responding, it's recording what everyone is seeing, and you can go back and see. So it's kind of amazing. I love Groupme. The only app I like better than Groupme would be Remind 101, or now which is called Remind, where it just sends it out and it's a one directional. It's just to remind people these assignments are due. But Groupme, it's an excellent tool for collaboration and conversation. And I think it's going to be an excellent way for me to interact with the seniors that I have to create RTI for, response to intervention, to help them get ready for the tests that they need to pass in the state of Texas to graduate. Anyway, guys, it's been fun. This was very, very difficult, Sarah, but thank you for making me step up to the challenge. I promise you guys I'll get better at this as we go, because one thing I am not is a quitter. If anything, I can always add to my repertoire and improve on what I do. Give me some feedback. Let me know what you think. I will talk to you guys later. And hey, you people up there in Washington, Virginia State, I want to say thank you for letting this little lonely Texan participate with you in your strive to be better and to help each other grow, because I watch all the time. So now I'm going to participate. What can I say? We'll do what we do. Take care. Be with God, put Him first, and everything else falls into place. Holla.